back at it again, man. Hey, this what we got. This is called the juice spills. We gonna cover that up with some music. This what we got. We gonna do some bugs. I'm gonna show you how to change these tail lights. Try how to change these tail lights. These jokers already loose anyway, so might as well go ahead and change them. What you need? What's this? 7/16. Show you these bolts. Take these nuts off. That's all you gotta do. You need the deep socket because the regular socket won't work. The bolt too long, so take this off. Real simple. I promise you this video ain't gonna be long. Matter of fact, let me get these off. And once I get these off, I get the light out. I'll come back with you. Once you get those 3 nuts off, Once you get them 3 nuts off, pull it out. Easy peasy, simple. You know, I got the Auxito. If I'm saying it right, Auxito, LED 3157, I want to show them to you if I put them in, 3157. Look at that. It's supposed to light me up, So, easy. Take that out. Boom. And that joker burnt on one side. That joker like it's about to go. Right on time. Take that out. Boom. Man. Them ends like they done had it, So, take them out. You pull the bulb off. And once you pull that off, put the new one in. It's that simple, That's how you change the light. You know what I mean? Me personally, I'm going back with LED. You can go back wherever how you feel, So, like I say, I showed you one. Ain't no point of showing you another. Because this one is just like this one. Just a different side. Left, right. So, JT's is out. You thought I was gone, Gotcha. You gotta have somebody mash the brakes for you, make sure that it's flipped on the right side. Mash the brakes for me. Look at that. Yellow, white. All right, you can get off the brakes. Mash them again. Come on now. Hit the turn signal. Hit the hazards in the front. It's on top of the steering wheel. Yeah, on the steering column. Look at that. Gotta make sure it's right. This time I'm really out. JT's is out, man. That's how you do it. And you got a chance to see the Auxito 3157s, man. Look at that. It's like high beam on you. High beam on you. All right, now we're gonna catch y'all on the next one.